From football to basketball, baseball, and even gymnastics, the University of Georgia ranks amongst the best in their region in sports and in academics.
This is Janae Bryant. I'm standing in front of Sanford Stadium, one of many places where future sports journalists will broadcast some of UGA's greatest victories in the new sports broadcasting program.
Grady College Dean Culpepper Clark says the program will be an invaluable resource for students to learn.
It is a great way in to journalism, to advertising and public relations, to telecommunications, and students enjoy it.
Student Alawale Dada says he's excited to learn more about what happens behind the scenes in sports broadcasting.
I love UGA. I love Grady. If I can get here, I'm going to get here and definitely be part of that.
The X's and O's.
Welch Suggs, one of UGA's presidential assistants, will serve as the program's academic director of sports journalism for the first year.
This is the Southeastern Conference, and this is a place that lives and dies around football every fall. It's going to be a landmark program that's going to attract students to UGA.
The program is possible this year thanks to a $1 million donation from the Atlanta Carmichael Foundation.
We're in the sports world, and there's sporting events that are going on all the time, and as long as there are sporting events being held, there's going to have to be people telling those stories.
At the University of Georgia, Janae Bryant, Grady Glee Club.